Motion tracking is a powerful technique in video editing that allows images, text, logos, or graphics to follow moving objects in a video. It is widely used in films, advertisements, YouTube videos, and social media content to create dynamic and professional visuals. In this tutorial, you will learn how to perform image motion tracking step by step using DaVinci Resolve, a video editing software. By the end, you will learn how to track an object and attach an image so that it moves naturally with the footage. Come, let's see how to create it. First, drag and drop the video in the timeline. Then cut down the unwanted parts in the video, like the one shown here. To cut the unwanted parts, you can use the keyboard shortcut by using Ctrl B. Play through the timeline to see whether you got the right portion of the video. Now right click the video and select Open in Fusion page. In the Fusion page, now click Media in 1. Press Shift plus Space to get the menu tab. Now search for tracking and then add it to the node. Place the cursor to the small square box and then drag it to the place where you need to track the object. In this case, I am tracking my index finger. Now you can adjust the area that you wanted to track by moving the red dotted lines. Now click this button to track forward the object. Now the object is being tracked. Now go to the media pool and drag and drop the image that you wanted to track in the Fusion page, like this. Now connect the node Media in 2 with the tracker 1 like this. Now click the tracker 1 and go to the inspector. To go to the inspector, click this button. After opening the inspector, go to modifier. In the operation, change the operation from none to match move. Now click Media in 2 and press Shift plus Space to open the menu tab. Now search for Transform SF and add it to the node. By selecting the Transform one, go to the inspector and change the size of the image to the requirement of yours, and then move the position of the image so that it is in the place where we tracked earlier. And that's it, we will be done with the editing. Now you can check your work by going to the editing tab and moving the timeline front and back. Before seeing our outcome, let us remember some important points which are very crucial for better output. And this is our outcome. If you found the tutorial helpful and interesting, like the video and subscribe my channel. And forward to your friends who are interested in video editing.